Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. On the outside of this Chevy Colorado, we have fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors, spray-in bedliner, ultrasonic rear park assist, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, illuminated entry, premier audio system, and extended range remote keyless entry. The 7-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Chevrolet Colorado has less than 15,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.